Today's video is going to be me showing you a little bit of what I'm trying to get done today, and I'm going to do a little bit, and hopefully you get to see what I'm doing. And I'm going to do as little as possible, but at the same time, I'm going to try to get some of this stuff done. If it don't bother me too much, I'm going to try to get some of this stuff done, but at the same time, I'm on a schedule that I have in my head, not in anybody else's schedule. It's just my schedule that I want to have done. I'm going to try to finish welding this. I don't know if you can see that. Trying to weld that. Trying to get this done. Weld this little piece that I got right there that's all jacked up. And then after I get done welding this side, then I'm going to clean up, try to get to where it looks like this, all clean. And then on my next step, after I get all that cleaned up or whatever, I'm going to go buy some Bondo and try to Bondo it and make sure it stays clean or whatever. Wish I could just do the whole thing chrome like I said on my previous video, but at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and try to get this done. I'm going to go ahead and set up the GoPro and get everything else ready so y'all can see hopefully what I'm doing and everything from there. And we're going to go ahead and pause this right now, and I'll come back here in just a little bit after I get everything set up.
Hopefully you can see everything. I got my light, I got my mask, got my other helmet, got this. I'm going to try to go ahead and, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to go ahead and weld this. The camera's facing towards me, but I'm going to go ahead and try to weld this guy, see if I can get it to where it's, at least touch, get it close, and then I'm going to go through and try to clean this up. But I want to weld that, try to get some other stuff done. I'm going to go ahead and try to let you see what I'm doing as far as possible, get as much done as possible, and then we'll just go from there, weld some seams, and then go from there. Like I said, it's just, I want to make sure I get everything, but at the same time, I'm just trying this. I'm not a professional, so I'm gonna do what I do, and let's get the ball rolling. I put this on the last time. I put this on because the last time I was burning the inside right here. So let's go ahead and get this started, and let's get everything set up. Get my gloves on. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get this right here if I can, and if I can't, we're gonna do something different. Here's my light. All right, let's get it going. Let's get it. like I'm making the hole bigger instead of closing it up. I think I got it, guys. After all that hard work, I think I got it sealed up. But at the same time, I was going over some things. That right there, I'm not gonna touch it, but it's probably still hot. That was the main thing I was trying to get. I'll grind that later and see how it got, and I'll put some Bondo over it. I think I did a pretty good job on sealing that part right there. And then I'll get my piece to get that done. I went ahead and tried to see if I can get this, because the simple fact is, there was a hole I put there on an accident because I was grinding, trying to get it done, but at the same time, I'm gonna go back and probably get me like a metal plate after I get done, and then just weld a metal plate from here to there. I don't know for sure, but I can't do it here because of my mount. But I know I can do it here. Just probably do a plate from, so from here to here, to where it has an extra support there. This is where the ABS system was sitting, so I won't be putting the ABS system back. So I'll be doing it on both sides. I'll be welding like getting a piece and probably bending it and putting it there to give it extra support, and go ahead and weld it, you know, from here to here, because this is where the brake lines go. That right there, I can't remember. That was part of the ABS system, so I can either put the brake lines in either one of those. But this was one of the other ABS. I remember the ABS lines was in one of these. I can't remember. I think it was in this one. I think the brake line was in this one. But I think I'm going to use this one for the brake lines, and then go ahead or either use this one for the brake lines. I don't know. I might use this one for the brake lines, and then go ahead and do a custom fab plates where I can just weld this to this, to where it stays flush, and then I can just, you know, maneuver them how I want to do it, or have it where it goes up like that, or something like that, to where it stays sturdy. So it's not just welded there; it's welded as a bracket. That's going to be probably on my to-do list, but you can't see it. But my to-do list is right there, and go from there. I'm going to go ahead and let this cool off for a little bit, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't get it to. Well, I can't, because even though I'm in the garage, I can't because it's after a certain time. So I will come back tomorrow and try to get this done. But my welder right now has that tendency to shut off and shut on, and whatever it does when it does that. So I'm gonna have to let that chill. I want to see if I can do this right here. Well, this, all this right here. Might not be able to. Might just have to figure out how to put some like JB Weld or something right there, or something to that extent to get it where it's smooth, and then go back and try to sand it or grind it or whatever may be the case. But at the same time, I did buy a sander to where I can probably get in there. So if I do decide to weld this, I can go ahead and get my sander to get in there. Might be harder to get the grind in there, but at the same time, we'll see how it works and go from there. I do have my little grinder. I don't know if it's going to be able to do this, but at the same time, hey, it is what it is. We're going to try to get it done. But my main concern was trying to get this hole sealed up. I do have another hole on this side, but it's not as bad as this one. I really completely was in a hurry, and when I did this side, I completely messed it up and didn't do it right when I was chiseling, trying to get it to come off. This was a hole too, but at the same time, I can always just tack it right here, and then give it a little, tack it right here, and then give it a little weld right here, and then go back and smooth it out, and then tack this and give it a little smoothing, and weld it, tack it, smooth it, and then bondo it. I haven't got the bondo yet because I wanted to get my welds done. At the same time, I know you can't see this, but I got to go back and re-weld this side to get it where it's smooth and go from there. But like I said, my welder right now just not really took a crap on me, but it has that temperature control because I was steady welding and I was shooting back and things like that. So that's something I don't know about. I didn't know about, but at the same time, I guess it got too hot because I was doing it at a steady motion, not taking it at increments and just welding like I don't know. I don't know how, but I'm just saying welding like I don't have any sense. But at the same time, I think I did okay beads right there, getting that to where it connects. But at the same time, if you look right there, that is like bulged out, it's like that. But like I said, I'm gonna get my grinder and then grind that, and then go back with the flat disc and go back and flag disc and go back and do that. Try to see if I can get my flag disc in here, and if I can't, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this to where it's smooth and make it where it looks cold-aesthetic when I get ready to put the brackets on. My next step, like I said, is trying to get the custom brackets, but I wanted to get the seams and stuff welded first, and then go from there. And then because once I get this welded right here, after I get my seams welded and everything welded, then I'm gonna go back and start working on this. And that's in another video, but at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this done. I already said I'm gonna have to do a custom fab on this because it's gonna have to go flat and then arch up, flat and then arch up, and then but I'm not gonna. The thing is, I'm not welding this, guys. So I don't know if it's gonna mess up how it seats in the car, the motor, how it seats in the car. But at the same time, I might be able to, with doing this, I might be able to raise the motor up just a hair. But at the same time, I still want the engine, the hood to clear without having any issues. So I have been looking at different things and trying to figure out how to do this. But at the same time, this is my first time ever doing it. So we're gonna get it done. I don't know what else I'm gonna weld when I get these seams welded. I might go through and weld these seams and get that done, and try to get some other things. I don't know if I'm gonna weld these or not. I know you can see those, but I don't know if I'm gonna weld these or not. But it's just one of those things that I'm trying to think about what I'm doing, and then go from there. And like I said, I already did this. I just gotta get some Bondo and Bondo it, and then go from there. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video, quit talking for now, and then I'm gonna come back probably tomorrow and try to finish what I can, get it all cleaned up, and then go from there. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm not closing it out. I will be continuing this video tomorrow, which is going to be in the next couple of hours. So probably about the time I lay down and get ready to get back up, and then go from there, and then finish welding and stuff like that. Because maybe my welder will be cooled off in enough time for me to go ahead and finish the welding. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to say, do not leave me too soon, because I will be back to finish this. But I'm going to go ahead and pause it and quit talking so much, and we'll see you guys shortly.